Video, we are building high neck collar. We are cutting this build up collar, okay, so you can see. So you measure your space. This is 3 inches, okay, for build up the collar, okay. Then you take your normal measurement, your armhole and chest, the waist, because it's half length I'm cutting, okay. So you take it to rule it. So we are coming. So her shoulder is 9, okay. You mark it from this line that will remove this space for building up the collar, okay. So you come down the armhole, the shoulder divide by 2, you get your armhole, okay. So this is it. You measure 1 inch, okay. Then call your armhole, okay. Then you take your measurements, because here nipple to nipple is 5 inch, okay. You mark it down to the half length, okay, 5 inch, okay. Okay, then you roll the line, okay. You measure the armhole, you know what it is, so that's okay. Here is 10. Then you check the center point, you mark, okay. So you connect these lines. Are you seeing it? You collect this line with this, okay. So you choose your neckline, okay. Coming here, the front and the back should be the same, so I'm taking 4 inches, okay, 4 inches. Then the front one will carry open, okay. Then the back one, let's measure it this way, okay. So as you can see, so the next step is for you to take your vertical measurement, okay. So here we are taking the measurements and that will rule. So to build up the collar, you come up, okay. I'm only taking 2 inches, so I mark. You can take 4, 3, depend how long or the length you want to build it. So coming this place that I take normal neckline, so I measure again 2 inches, I mark. So here now you connect the line like this. That's your new build up neckline, okay. So you will now connect it this way, coming to this point again, okay. This point of that we take normal neckline before, because we are building up the neckline now, okay. So you have something like this. So the next thing, you come from this line that you come up, you only pick 1.5, okay. You mark the 1.5, then connect it back this way. You connect it back to the normal neckline. I don't know whether you are seeing it. This is the 1/2 inch we cut, okay. So we are going to connect it back to this neckline, okay. Connect it this way. Then remember the shoulder slope, so you extend this line, okay. Remember the shoulder slope, okay. So here now is where we are taking shoulder slope this way, okay. So from here now, this is our armhole, okay. So we come this way, okay. So that's it for the back. As you can see it, I don't know whether you're seeing it well, okay. Then you take your neckline for the front will be just open, so this must be the same with the back, so that while joining you will not have any issue. So because I only take V, okay, so because it's V, I only open it just this way and mark, because so that it will not affect the measurement. Okay, so mark, you see it. So while the back will carry just straight like this, you cut. Okay, that's the end of our tutorial. If you find it helpful, try to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.